Frosty. Tell me how does it feel like to be a Chihuahua? Come on. Don't be shy. Come on, Frosty. Don't be shy and don't worry. Come on. Say hi to the camera. No, why not? Come on. There he is. Look at his beautiful face. Okay, I'm gonna just leave him since he's sleepy. Wow, so soft. Are you seeing this? He's so soft. Okay. This time I'm not show my face no more. I'm gonna do no more face reveals, if you guys are wondering. But I live in a new country. State. I moved from Cali. I don't live there anymore. So bye bye, fans, subscribers. Those are some clean ears. But if you guys are wondering, we have a Chihuahua. This is clean. It's just his birthmark. But he is absolutely clean. Oh, he's a little shy. You'll get used to it, guys. It's just all you need is patience. That's all. If you haven't checked out my previous video when my dog was fighting his own house, look how he left it. Yes, that's how he left it. Yes, I know, right? He doesn't know how to take care of things. His food, wow, so amazing. Bye. Okay, I'm serious. Bye.